Hello, this is Jason. Welcome to watch our online inspection show. It's our pleasure to have you here. Now I'm in the showroom of Holtop, and we are going to introduce our new and hot-selling products to you like being in the inspection. Under the pandemic situation, to improve the air indoor quality and make a safe environment, proper ventilation system is especially important. As the leading heat recovery ventilation system manufacturer, our mission is to deliver healthy and fresh air to people, to ensure people's health and protect our Earth. We will show you our new products EcoVampo ERV and then EcoSlim ERV, the most hot-selling products like EcoSmart Hepa ERV, Fresh Air Purifier, Disinfection Box, wall-mounting ERV, and Defrosting ERV one by one. Please follow and stay with us. Now, please welcome my teammate Cici. She will show you our new product EcoVampo ERV.
Hi, Jason.
Hi, Cici.
Hello, everyone. I'm Cici. It's my pleasure to have you here today. So, follow us. Let me show you our new product, the EcoVampo ERV. Okay, this way. Well, this is the new product, the EcoVampo ERV.
Wow, it looks quite beautiful.
Yes, this model is 350 cubic meter per hour model, and it was designed in our new compact structure and with inside insulation.
Wow, can you explain to me how it works?
Yes, sure. This is the outdoor air, the supply air, return air, and exhaust air. The two air stream came across, the fresh air and exhaust air came across with the temperature and the humidity difference. The heat and the heat can be exchanged from the warm air to the cold air, and the moisture can be transferred from the wet air to the dry air, and they are not without touching. So the energy and the heat can be recovered. And it is balanced ventilation to save the energy and the balanced heat and humidity within a building. So these all help to create a clean, healthy, and comfortable indoor air quality.
Wow, it sounds very awesome. And what features does it have?
Yes, the whole series are integrated with the EPS structure. Well, EPS is a high polymer material widely used for building insulation and the refrigeration and the other industries. And it has some features like good insulation, the air tightness, no condensation, lightweight, heat preserve, silent, no odor. And besides, all series are built in our new primary filters. This one, the new primary filter. They are made of aluminum alloy frame and the rubber filtration material. And they are washable and with a nice appearance and a longer service life. Well, when a project requires a high cleanliness, we also have the PM 2.5 filter available, and the grade is F9. The filtration efficiency is up to 99%, and the particle diameter under 2.5 mm can be filtered effectively. So the indoor air quality can be increased obviously. And thirdly, it was built in our third generation Enthalpy heat exchanger. Well, Jason, can you help me take it out?
Sure.
Yes. Yes, this is the Holtop patent Enthalpy heat exchanger. It was made by ER Pepper and with our latest nanofiber structure to ensure the high efficiency. Well, during the exchange, only the small diameter moisture molecules can pass, and the bigger diameter molecules like the harmful gas, they can't pass through it. And it's fire resistance, antibacterial, and mold prevent.
Wow, it's very cool. And what type of motors does it use?
Well, these series are optional with the AC motor and the brushless DC motor. For high-end project, we suggest to use the brushless DC motor, and because the 10-speed control is very suitable for most of the project's air volume and the external pressure requirement.
Okay.
And for AC unit, as the price is more competitive, so we suggest you for those projects that has a limit budget.
Yes, of course, but I think the DC motor is more energy saving.
Yes, sure. Compared with the AC models, it can save up to 70% energy. It has the feature of longer service life, like good reliability, stability, and saving and easy maintenance. Yes.
Wow, very good. And may I know what control function does it have?
Well, we have both the standard controller, yes, this one, and the intelligent control. This one is the standard control, and it has some basic functions like the temperature, the time display, weekly timer, the 3-speed selection, the bypass function, filter alarm, indoor air quality monitor, RS485 connector. Well, for the intelligent control system, they are under final testing, and it will be available in the end of the June. And it could include some unique functions like comfortable heater control, for example, easy to connect with the electric heater, no matter from us or from third company in your local. Yes, like the defrosting, the CO2 control, the filter alarm, power to auto restart. Yes, a lot of the functions, including like light free cooling, BMS integration, yes, defrosting heater control, working condition monitor. Yes, really a lot of functions.
It's very cool, Cici. The control is very smart.
Yes, that's one of the reasons why our units are sold very well, like a hotcake on the market, especially like the Europe. Okay, let's move on to see another bigger airflow models of this series. Okay, this one. Now, the model I will show you is 600 cubic meter per hour model. And for bigger airflow from 500 to 2600 cubic meter per hour, the design and the structure is a little different. We can see that the access door is at the side. There are a regular access door for maintenance of the primary filter, the PM2.5 filter, and the heat exchangers. Well, we increased one more access door for two more access door for the fan motor and the control. So this way will be more easy for maintenance.
Yes, this design is more convenient to maintain.
Yes, sure. All right, hope my above introduction for the EcoVan Pro ERV are clear for you. That's all of my introduction today.
Yes, thanks, Cici.
You're welcome. See you.
See you. If you are interested in our products, please send inquiry to us for more information. Now, my teammate Barika will introduce us the new unit. Welcome, Barika.
Hi, Jason.
Hi, Barika.
Hello, everyone. I'm Barika. Now I will show you our new product, EcoSlim ERV. Due to the pandemic, nowadays most of us are wearing a mask. It's hard to breathe the fresh air and sometimes feel like leaking oxygen when we wear mask for a long time. Do you want to enjoy the clean and fresh air indoor without wearing a mask?
That's perfect, Barika.
Then our new EcoSlim ERV with the high purification function is the best solution for you. Here we have the EcoSlim ERV. We have two models for this series. One is 250 cubic meter per hour. The other one is 300 cubic meter per hour. And it is very suitable for residential houses and villas. This unit by my side is with 200 cubic meters per hour.
Wow, it's a big difference from the EcoVan Pro ERV.
Yes, right. The casing of EcoSlim ERV is made of aluminum zinc. This kind of material has very good anti-corrosion ability, so it is making it even suitable to work at seaside. The whole machine is durable for 15 years. You can see the metal texture and the beautiful looking outside.
I wish I had a house near the seaside.
Haha, me too. Well, for residential house or villa, the super slim body design makes it a very low profile to fit into ceiling installation.
Wow, it sounds very great. Can you introduce more features of this unit to us?
Yes, sure. First, let's see the construction. It is equipped with a large content cross-flow heat exchangers, and its heat efficiency is up to 86%, which can greatly save your energy bills. Secondly, you can see the inner design. It is neat and compact. It is constructed by the EPP materials for the best insolution and high air tightness. It is featured by no condensation, lightweight, heat preserve, super silent, and no odor and pollution. Thirdly, it is built in the high efficiency DC fan motors. They are energy saving and can operation all day, only cost you 1 kilowatts per hour electricity. Firstly, you can maintain the powers via the access door at the bottom. These two holes are for the supply fan and the exhaust fan maintenance. And these two small holes are for the primary filter and the Hepa filter access. And the biggest hole is for the cross-content flow heat exchangers. You can just open the door access, much easier for the access. But please remember to cut off the power before you're carrying out the maintenance.
Yes, it's easy to maintain. I can change the filter by myself also. By the way, can you introduce more functions of this unit to us? I mean the control function.
Yes, sure. It has the functions such as 5-speed selection, weekly timer, temperature control, time and day display, running mode selections, filter alarm, and so on. Besides, it has two running modes. One is energy recovery mode. The fresh air will pass through the primary and the middle filter and then comes through the heat exchanger. And at last, it will get through the Hepa filter. This triple filtration will guarantee the air supply to the indoor is absolutely clean. And the retain air for the indoor recycling for the purifications. You can use it as an air purifier at this mode. Well, it likes wearing a KN95 mask for your whole house. You can keep healthy and no need to wear a mask. Alright, that's all about our EcoSlim series.
Thank you for your great introduction, Barika.
You're absolutely welcome. See you.
See you. So let's part our teammate Ruby will show you more options with our wall-mounted ERV. Their Dynex design won't take up too much space and it is easy to install. Welcome, Ruby.
Hello, Jason.
Hello, Ruby.
Hello, everyone. This is Ruby from Holtop. It's my pleasure to have you here.
Hi, Ruby. It's good to have you here. And you know, this unit is very small while compared to the suspended time ERV.
Yes. It's wall-mount energy recovery ventilator. It's ductless design, you see? Yeah. And it's very easy to install. The airflow capacity for this unit is 150 cubic meter per hour.
Wow.
Yeah. You can use these units in your house. One for your living room and several pieces for your bedroom.
Okay.
Yeah. If your house is well decorated, then it's very good, perfect solution for you.
Okay.
Because you do not need to install the air pipe in your house.
Well, it's a very big, advantage.
Yes, very good advantage because it will not influence the current decoration, and it will be your great indoor air health guard and saving energy if work together with air conditioners.
Okay, it's a very good idea. And can you show me more features about this unit?
Yes, of course. This system is built in brushless DC motor with very low energy consumption, using an Enthalpy heat exchanger with efficiency up to 82%.
Wow, very high efficiency.
Yeah, and equipped with triple filters, including primary filter, Hepa filter, active carbon filter, which can greatly ensure the cleanness of fresh air.
Wow.
Yeah. So I would like to introduce more about the filters. The primary filter can prevent the pollen, dust, foam from fresh air.
Can you show me Is it there?
Yes, you're right. Very clever.
Okay, I see. Yeah, this
Yeah,
is the primary
we can
filter.
show to our customers.
This one, yeah.
Yes, this is the primary filter. Yeah.
Okay.
And what's more, this system is equipped with the activate carbon filter, which can remove the abnormal color and smell.
Okay, but
Yeah.
can you show us where is the PM 2.5 filter and also the carbon filter?
Yes. Here.
Okay.
Let's open it, okay?
Okay. Okay, here. Okay.
Yeah, we can take it out. Can you help me? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Take it out together.
Okay, I see.
Okay, yes. This is the Hepa filter. It's a great weapon to the pollution diameter, less than 0.3 mm. So, all these 1, 2, 3, three combination can achieve the filtration efficiency over 99%.
Wow, it's unbelievable.
Yeah,
very
it's very great. So what's more, there is a PM 2.5 sensor inside the units.
good. Really?
Yes, PM 2.5 sensor.
Okay,
Yeah.
I see.
Yeah. So it's helpful to detect the indoor air quality. The end user can check the PM 2.5 value on the touch screen panel.
Okay, here.
Yeah, this is the touch screen panel, and there are 8 speeds for our tries.
Okay.
Yeah, which when the people have a party at home, we can set the speed via the up and down button.
Oh, I see.
Okay.
Okay, very
Yeah.
great. And can you show us how to control this unit? I mean, different functions this unit have.
Yes, I would like to introduce more about the functions.
Okay.
There are functions like auto, manual, timer, and sleeping. Auto means that the system will act according to the indoor PM 2.5 value. There are pure high, pure medium, pure low function when the indoor PM 2.5 value is high, medium, and low.
Okay.
Yeah. And the manual function is a free setting on speeds. People can set whatever he wants. And timer is a good setting to determine how many hours the system will be running. So, do you know what is my favorite function?
Let me guess. I think the auto mode working.
No, really. Actually, I like the sleeping mode mostly.
Okay.
Yeah. It's a very thoughtful design when people install at their bedroom.
Okay.
Yeah. When you are going to sleep, press sleeping mode on the touch screen panel. The system will run with very no noise.
I see.
And we can turn off the lights from the touch screen panel.
Okay.
And it can ensure the darkness of our bedroom.
Wow, it
Yeah.
sounds very interesting. Can you turn on the unit and show us the details?
Yes, of course. So
Okay.
nowadays the system is connected to the power.
Yeah.
And I have a remote control here.
Okay.
We can turn it on. Or pressing the button here, you
On
can
or
try.
off?
Yeah.
Okay, I see.
Okay, good. So now the system is starting. Yeah. So we can see there is some value here. Can you see this?
Yeah, I can see the display shows the PM 2.5 now is very good here. I think it is only 3, 003.
Yes. Here we can check the PM 2.5 value on the touch screen panel. And can you guess what's this?
I can see temperature and also the humidity. Yeah, now the indoor temperature is 27 degrees Celsius and the humidity is 77. Yeah.
Yeah, very good. Yeah, you're right. And also we can check the speeds here. There are
Okay.
8 speeds. And
Okay.
nowadays it's the lowest
So can I have a try to turn to different speed?
Oh yes, you can have a try.
Okay.
This is a menu.
A menu to
Yeah.
press the speak button.
Yeah.
I see. Very
Yes.
good. Yeah, very good.
So this is the maximum speeds, 8 speeds for
Okay.
our tries.
Okay. Thank you, Ruby, and it is a very good introduction, to introduce the wall-mounted unit to us. But I want to know, you just mentioned this unit is only 150 cubic meter per hour.
Yes.
And may I know if there is some, higher air volume, bigger air volume, so we can, install the larger unit in different area, like the gym. Like our living room.
Yes. Restaurant, classroom, and so on.
Right.
And once more, I would like to introduce about the installation.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, we offer the necessary accessories for installation like back panel, power cable, PVC duct, air vents for fresh air intake, and stale air outlets. And grills and so on. So, it's one package with full wishes for you. The most important thing is the installation is very easy. You do not need to install the air pipe in the ceiling. And you can just stick 2 holes on the wall and install it with all necessary accessories inside the package. Yes. So it's very suitable to install in the existing building, and it will not influence the current decorations. Yes. So you can save a lot of money and time.
Wow, it sounds very attractive. I think I can install it by myself. It's very easy.
Yes. We also have video for the customer so that they can learn how to install this system on their own. So the cost for this system is quite competitive. It's a great weapon to fight for a better life and health at a very low cost. So I think it's very suitable for you and me.
I do think so, but just as mine mentioned, I would like to also learn if there is larger unit for me to install in different areas. So is that possible for you to introduce to me?
Oh yes, I would like to introduce more, and now that's all for a brief look into these units. And we also have floor standing energy recovery ventilator for the bigger space.
I see.
So our colleague Felix will introduce more in the next part.
See you then. See you, thanks, Ruby.
Thank you. See you.
Hi, Felix.
Hi, Jason.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Hi, everyone. It's Felix from Holtop company. It's our pleasure to meet you here.
Yes, Felix. Wow, check it out. This unit is as tall as not you. Very similar like to the floor standing time air conditioner, right?
Yes, but it's not an air conditioner.
Oh, really?
It's our floor standing Eco Clean Forest series energy recovery ventilator. Here I introduce it to you in details. Holtop floor standing ERV is mainly designed for one room ventilation where dozens of people gather together, such as the meeting room, restaurant, classroom, indoor fitness room, and so on. These places are definitely increasing carbon dioxide just in 30 minutes. Staff may feel trapped, tiredness, dizziness, and are unable to focus on work without fresh air. If indoor carbon dioxide volume filtration is controlled below 1000 ppm, a healthy air environment can be basically maintained.
Thank you.
We have 2 models, ERVQL300, like this one, and also the ERVQL600 to supply enough fresh air volume to a room from 20 square meter to 200 square meter. They are equipped with cross-flow heat exchanger and brushless DC fan, triple filter, smart touch screen, and the remote control.
And this unit you just said is for 300 cubic meter per hour, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Here you can see the supply air outlet.
Here.
And below is the access door. It's easy to open the unit for maintenance.
So can you open it and let us to have a check inside?
Yes, of course.
Thank you. Wow.
Here you can see is the heat exchanger. It's the high efficiency heat exchanger for up to 82%.
It's a cross flow time exchanger, right?
Yes,
Okay.
cross flow heat exchanger.
Up to
Up to 82%.
okay, 82, okay.
And it's maximum to reduce the energy consumption of air conditioning equipments.
Okay.
Here is the supply fan,
Okay.
and the is the brushless DC fan.
A brushless DC
Yes.
fan, okay.
The features of strong vibration and vibration resistant and the low noise and the smooth operation.
Okay.
The input power is 70 watts for ERVQ
Wow, very,
L300.
very low power consumption.
Yes, and 125 watts for L600.
Okay.
It means that less than 2 kilowatt hour for L300 and 3 kilowatt hour for L600 if 24-hour continuous running.
Okay, I see. Yeah. I can also see, different kinds of filter inside. And can you introduce what are these filters to us?
There are triple filters inside the unit,
Okay.
and this one is the primary filter, PM2.5 filter,
Okay.
Hepa filter,
Okay.
which will be able to prevent the particular diameter less than 0.3 mm, while the filtration efficiency can be up to 99.9%.
Wow, very high efficiency.
It's greatly helpful to ensure the cleanness of the fresh air.
Okay. And can you also introduce how does the air flow inside, how it goes? Yeah.
As you can see, the fresh air will go from this hole,
From the back of
from
the
the
unit.
back. That's
Okay.
a hole
Okay,
here.
I see.
then through the primary filter,
Okay.
PM2.5 filter, then go inside the
Heat exchanger, yeah.
then go through the Hepa filter,
Okay.
then
supply to indoor.
Yes.
Okay, good. So what about the exhaust air?
extra air. This place that's
From
an
the
inlet.
Okay, from the side. Yeah. okay.
From the side. Then this exhaust air goes through the primary filter.
Okay.
After the heat exchange,
Okay.
they will exhaust from here.
Also from the back of the unit.
From back.
Okay, I see. After just checking the inside structure, and can you also explain to us more about the function? I mean the controller.
Yes, of course.
Okay, I see.
This place is the touch screen controller.
Touch screen.
Because we didn't connect the electric.
Okay, I see. No problem. Yeah.
So on the cabinet, its function has the 8-speed control, PM2.5 monitor, and the slightly positive ventilation when indoor air quality is not ideal.
Okay.
The sleeping mode and the screen light off is a sweet design to ensure your sleep quality.
Wow, this function is very user friendly, and is the installation of this unit is also as easy as the wall-mounted time ERV?
Yes. We offer some necessary accessories for installation,
Okay.
like the hooker, power cable, and air vent, etc. It's also one package with full wishes for you. This unit is also ductless design.
Okay, yeah.
The ductless installation is fold to any kind of room. It's compatible to any architectural style and won't destroy the original decoration. Only one hole for fresh air in the back.
Yeah, fresh air in, and
another hole for the exhaust air outlet
Okay.
is needed. Clean fresh air will come through the filters and distribute to the whole room. You can save a lot of money and time for the installation.
That's awesome. I think this unit is suitable to use in many buildings and applications.
Yes, we have applied them in the kindergarten and the school.
Cool. May I know if you have other products suitable for the kindergarten or school?
Of course, Our teammate Andrew will introduce our best-selling EcoSmart Hepa ERV and disinfection box for you. This all for a brief look into the floor-standing ERV. If you are interested in our products, please feel free to send inquiries. Thank you.
See you. See you. Thanks,
See you.
Thanks, Phyllis. Yeah, thanks for a great introduction. That's part I will have my workmate Andrew to help us introduce this unit. Hi, Andrew.
Hi, Jason.
Nice to meet you here.
Nice to be here.
Andrew, I heard that this unit is our best-selling unit. Can you tell me why it is so popular?
Yes, it is certified to CE with ERP standards. The energy efficiency class is A or A+, according to the European standards. Now, it is your ideal indoor air health guard and save energy to work with VRF systems.
Okay.
Now, the air volume ranges from 150 to 6,000 cubic meter per hour. Now, the unit we have here today is 250. Now,
250
Yeah.
cubic meter per hour.
yes.
Okay. Sure. So, can you show us more features about this unit?
Yeah, it is built with two brushless DC motors and a Enthalpy heat exchanger here
Okay.
with efficiency up to 82%
82. Okay, yeah,
Yes.
very high efficiency.
and two primary filters
Okay, yeah, can I see here?
to prevent large matters from going into the system
Okay.
and an extra F9 filter to further purify the air.
Okay. So this is at the supply air side, right?
Yes,
Okay.
go through here and
Okay.
goes out there.
So what is this part?
Now that is a bypass damper. It is built in with the auto bypass system. It allows users to set a very comfortable temperature range. When the fresh air reaches this range, this damper will open, allow free cooling.
Okay, free cooling. Yeah, very good function. And do you know what made this product standing out?
Now, the first part is this pressure switch.
Pressure switch.
Now,
Okay.
it will monitor the pressure before and
You
after.
mean the pressure difference, right,
Yes,
between the
before and after
F9 filter?
This F9 filter.
Okay, I see.
When the pressure switch is triggered, the panel here will alarm the user to replace
Okay.
the F9 filter. Now, the second thing is this control system.
Okay.
Now you can see this nice looking panel here. It allows very basic function like speed settings here, temperature status display,
Okay.
weekly timer. Now you can also access more advanced functions by accessing the advanced mode.
Okay.
When you press this button for 6 seconds.
Okay.
Now,
So yes, it's a very practical functions.
yep. Also for the cold season, it has a function of auto defrosting. Now it is able to connect to an electrical
Heater. Okay.
Yeah. When this temperature reaches the setting value, the heater will turn on automatically for defrosting.
Okay. So well, it's a very thoughtful design. So it's very suitable for the cold climate countries.
Yeah.
So besides the functions that you mentioned, and may I know any other else?
Now you can, like I said, you can access the advanced mode to access more like power to auto start, control over the heating elements, free cooling,
Okay.
defrost setting, timer filter alarm, and interlock with external devices like alarm system, lighting system, and air conditioning systems.
Okay.
Now,
So
also there is a RS485 here which is not open here.
Okay, okay.
There is a port here. You can connect this unit to your building management systems for centralized control.
Okay, I see. Very good function. Yeah. Well, so many smart and practical functions, and I don't have any reason why we don't buy it.
Now, what's more, we have a Wi-Fi module coming up in June.
Wow.
Now see, this is the interface of this Wi-Fi module.
Okay.
You can set speed, set the speed for supply air,
Okay.
Set the speed for exhaust air. And also more basic function like bypass setting, filter settings, and timer settings.
Okay. So, do you know who is our main competitors for these products?
Now, actually, the performance of this unit is quite similar to the one with Daikin,
Okay,
Mitsubishi,
Yeah.
but our price is more competitive.
Oh.
Also, it will surely give you more edge to compete in this market. Now, we usually OEM ERV for some top AC brands.
Okay.
If you send us an inquiry, we will let you know about it. That's all for this introduction.
Sure, I will send you the inquiry. And thanks for your great introduction, Andrew.
Thank you, Jason.
Yeah, see you.
See ya.
Next part, our teammate Tina will introduce the fresh air purifier to you. Welcome, Tina.
Hi, Jason.
Hi, Tina.
Hello, friends. This is Tina from Holtop. Great to meet you here. I'm sure you find the previous product quite interesting.
Yes.
But if you don't have enough space or budget to install the energy recovery ventilator and still want to improve the indoor air quality and prevent the heads or pretty air from entering, so we have a solution for you.
What's the solution?
It's our fresh air purifier.
I see. But this unit looks quite small.
Yes, the model I have now is 250 cubic meter per hour. The structure is quite simple. Could you help me open the access door?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
So 4 screws. Okay.
Yes. Yes, you can see the fan tap fresh air in and enter the filters.
Okay, the filter.
Yes, and enter the indoor areas. It is very easy to install, so customer can open it directly without tools. It's easy to change the filters. Yes. Also, for the airflow 150 and 350 cubic meter per hour models, beside this fresh air purifier, we also have another type of fresh air purifier.
Oh, really?
Yes, it comes with indoor circulation function.
Okay.
Yes, and this function enables system to choose air streams from outdoor or indoor. Under the fresh air mode, it introduces the air from outside. While in circulation mode, the bypass valve will open to have indoor circulation for purification only.
Okay.
A special feature of this unit is that it can be installed in the attic. Yes, and in winter, it can recover the warm air rising to the roof for home heating and supply it back to the room, so you can save heating costs.
I see. So the general idea of this product is to supply the fresh air and filter it before entering indoor, right?
Yes. In
Okay.
this process, the area will be in a positive pressure condition, so the stale air and moisture will be forced out through cracks of doors and windows and all other positive spoils. So condensation, damping, and molding problem will be solved. Okay, that's all for my introductions.
Okay, thanks, Tina. Thanks for your great introduction about the fresh air purifier.
You are welcome. If you are interested in our products, please send inquiries to us.
Okay.
See you.
See you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Next part, our teammate Susan will introduce our new product, disinfection box, to you. This disinfection box was specially developed for the pandemic situation to protect our health and fight the virus. Now, let's welcome Susan.
Hello, Jason.
Hello, Susan.
Hello, everyone. This is Susan from Holtop. It's my pleasure to have you here. And this is our new product, disinfection box. The airflow is from 150 to 1,300 cubic meter per hour. This model is 150. As we have been suffering from this hard time, you may worry about the air quality not only contain dust, PM 2.5, but also the bacteria and viruses. To solve the concern and make sure the air is clean and healthy enough, we have developed this disinfection box.
It looks quite cool and very interesting. Where we can use it?
It can work with our ERV and fresh air purifier. When working together with our ERV, it can be installed at the outdoor air side or the supply air side. But we recommend the supply air side.
So you mean it can interlock with our ERV?
Yes.
I mean, when the ERV turns on and the disinfection box turns on, and when the ERV turns off, it will turn off automatically, right?
Yes, correctly. Yeah. Also, it can be controlled by a separate switch.
Okay.
Then the user can turn it on whenever they need. And it also works together with your existing ventilation and air conditioning system for sterilization. You can use them in residential house, office, kindergarten, school, restaurant, and other places.
Okay. Then may I know how does it work when it is what is inside the unit?
Well, it's built in with the UVC lamp inside and a photocatalyzed filter. Yeah, you can see the photocatalyzed filter.
I see.
Yeah, the lamp will generate high intensity of ultraviolet to destroy the DNA of bacteria and virus.
Wow.
And at the same time, the photocatalyzed filter serves as a second safeguard against them, making your air not just clean and fresh but safe.
It sounds very fantastic. And does it have any test report now?
Actually, we are sending some samples to the lab for the approval of CE and sterilization and disinfection performance test. Hopefully, we can get the reports at the end of July.
Okay, thanks for the good news, Susan. It is acceptable. I think we can get the certificate and report very soon. It's really a good weapon to fight against the virus and protect our health.
Yes, Jason, to maintain a good air quality, only the air conditioners are not enough. As summer is approaching, more and more people will turn on the air conditioner. We know the air conditioners are just for the indoor circulation. They don't have the fresh air, so the air indoor is not fresh enough.
Right, I know about this also.
Okay, so if someone gets flu or respiratory disease, others together in the house may be easily infected in the confined space. That's why ventilation is extremely necessary for improving the indoor air quality, especially in the pandemic time.
Right.
And our energy recovery ventilator is the perfect solution for both ventilation and energy saving. And work with our disinfection box, we can make sure the air coming from outdoor is absolutely safe and clean.
I do agree with you, Susan, and I think that the health is the most important thing in our life. So why not make the air we breathe more healthier and cleaner? Now everybody wear masks and realize how important it is to breathe the clean and healthy air. Without doubt, the energy recovery ventilation and purification products will become a hot cake in the market.
Yes, I can't agree more with you. If you are interested in our company or products, please don't hesitate to send inquiry to us.
Sure, but may I know, is there any discount if I order now?
Yes, of course. We are holding mid-year promotion activities in June from June 50 to 30. New customers place order to us. During the activities, we'll get special discount for all free gifts.
Wow.
So don't hesitate to send us inquiry if you're interested in our products.
Sure. Thanks, Susan, for this great news. So it is a great opportunity to order now. you can save a lot of money, and it is a good chance for you to enlarge your business to achieve your goal of business. Okay, thanks Susan. And that's all about online inspection show today.
You're welcome, Jason.
Okay, in the following days, we will hold different knife show to show our new products, hot selling products in detail to you. If you want to know more, then please follow our homepage in Facebook or visit our website www.holtop.com.
Okay, let's welcome our team and say goodbye to our friends together.
Hot top fresh air for your life.